Listen, when the mercury hits triple digits and you feel like you're melting into your living room floor, you don't need a sales pitch. You need a machine that works as hard as a nuclear reactor cooling loop. I spent years keeping the lights on in the nuclear sector before moving into residential HVAC. And if there's one thing 17 years in the field has taught me, it's that technical data doesn't lie. Today we're putting the Della 048 TL WAC 8 KIW up against the Vissani VWA08. Both are 8,000 BTU window units, but under the hood they are miles apart. The Vissani is your classic standard box window unit. It's light, coming in under 40 pounds, which makes it easy to slap into a window, but it doesn't offer much in terms of installation flexibility. The Della, however, brings a bit more to the table with its physical design. While both are standard window installs, the Della is built for a tighter seal and more robust vibration dampening, which is why it clocks in with a noise level around 42 to 52 decibels depending on the mode. The Vissani is a bit of a rattler by comparison, with users noting it can get noisy when that compressor kicks in. The Vissani VWA08 is an Energy Star rated unit with a solid combined energy efficiency ratio of 12.0. That's respectable for a standard compressor. But the Della 048 TL WAC 8 KIW is playing a different game. It features a full DC inverter compressor. Standard units like the Vissani are either 100% on or 100% off, which spikes your power bill. The Della's inverter technology allows the compressor to slow down or speed up as needed. It runs constantly at lower power, eliminating those hard starts and potentially slashing your cooling costs by over 30%. On the utility side, the Della is priced around $349 to $379, while the Vissani is the budget-friendly contender, often found between $220 and $250. The Vissani is a no-frills machine, no remote, no smart features, just a dial and a dream. The Della is fully loaded with Wi-Fi and voice control, allowing you to prime your bedroom before you even leave the office. Before we crown a winner, here's a free field tip. Clean your filters every 30 days. I don't care how smart your AC is. If that coil can't breathe, you're just paying to turn your unit into a block of ice. Checking the warranty cards, both units offer a standard 1-year full unit warranty. However, Vissani's compressor protection can vary by retailer, while Della's inverter tech is generally backed by a 1-year limit on the compressor as well. If you want the technical truth, there's only one winner here. The Vissani is a fine budget pick if you're tight on cash, but the Della 048 TL WAC 8 KIW takes the trophy. Between the variable speed inverter compressor, the massive energy savings, the silent operation, and the smart features, it's the superior piece of engineering. It's built for the long haul and won't murder your electric bill. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.